Hi, this is Jesse from the BracketPal team, and today I'm going to be doing a lightning demo of running a tournament with BracketPal. From our homepage, we want to do Add Tournament, and we're going to call this Sample August Event. We're going to allow teams to submit their own scores, anyone, anywhere. This event is going to be for the 27th. And now we've already done registration for this event, which is why it's popping up with this particular option. So we're going to go ahead and connect that registration. We're going to go right into the tournament. So we're going to go to the Team Management tab, and I'm going to import these teams from registration. So import from BracketPal Online Registration, and I'm going to auto-add all paid and reserved. So we'll go ahead and go back to the main tournament page. We've got our teams in. Let's go ahead and seed it. And I'm actually truly going to seed this with random numbers because this is all nonsense data. There's no real seedings here. From here, we've got our division. We're going to create our pools. Now our teams are seeded, so we're going to take all teams to pools. We're going to keep it just be called pools. We're going to start at 9 o'clock. We're going to go 30 minutes a match. And we're just going to have, we're going to do 4 pools. So it's going to be 1 pool of 4 and 3 pools of 5. And we're going to have everybody just play one game. 1 to 21, we're going to put these 4 pools on 4 courts. We're going to put them on courts 5, 6, 7, and 8. Create our pool group. There's nothing else that I really need to revise here, so I can go ahead and publish it. Everything else looks good. And then our pools are finished. Let's go ahead and create our playoff brackets. We're going to go create playoff bracket. And in this situation, we have 4 pools. Let's just say we're going to take the top 2 to gold and the bottom 2 to silver. So the top 2 from 4 pools would be 1 to 12. Because that, of course, would be 4 pools with 3 teams from each. That's our top 12 teams. It's going to be a single elimination bracket, single game. They'll play 1 to 21 in that as well. Starting at 2 o'clock, going for 30 minutes a match. We're going to stick with performance-based replay prevention. That's our safe default. And sure, we'll allow bracket preview. Now, because we used courts 5, 6, 7, and 8 for all of our pools, we only need 2 of those really to finish this playoff bracket. So we'll do 5 and 6. We'll create playoff bracket. And now we'll do the same thing. We'll create our playoff bracket for silver. So this one will be 13 to 19. Single game again, 2 o'clock, 30 minutes a match. We'll allow bracket preview. And courts 7 and 8. Nothing else really needs to change. There we go. We've got our pools. Our brackets are all set. And we've got a little summary that we have an idea here. So we can say all pools in 1st, 2nd, and 3rd are going to gold. And everyone from 4th and the remaining 3 teams in 5th will be going to the silver bracket. From here, you would go in and you would record your individual results. Ideally, the players will be doing it. So you literally just go in and type a score, and that result is in. I'm going to go ahead and finish entering all these results, and I'm just going to do it with this option. That's record all matches at once. That allows us to quickly enter some scores. Come on now. All right, so we got some scores entered. At this point, we need to finish the pool. So that's this green button that says Begin Finishing Pool. You will also notice from the main tournament page that the pool is highlighted with this blue color and with this alert triangle. This is letting us know that the scores are all in, but our pool needs to be marked as finished. So we're going to go ahead and finish it. And then if we need to override any of these positions, we can. We don't need to, so we're going to finish the pool. There we go. Our pool is done. And at this point, I'm going to go in and I'm going to force finish the remaining pools. So I'm just drop into each pool and force finish it. This isn't something you would typically do in a normal tournament, but it is something that we'll do for the demonstration here. At this point, our pools are all finished, and that has auto-populated our playoff brackets. From here, the next step is to autofill our refs. So we're just going to say next highest seed on court. That's ready to go. We'll publish it. And we'll do the same thing with our silver bracket. We're going to autofill next highest seed on court. This looks good to go. We have refs in all the first rounds on those courts. We're ready to publish. When we go to the main tournament page, it's going to ask us if we want to print. Now we don't need to print anything. And we are good to go from here. Our Our playoffs are out there and ready to go. At this point, once the playoffs are out, then it's just a matter of starting to record results. So you are safe to record results and put in scores. You don't actually have to put in scores. You can literally just pick a winning team and click save. If you do decide to record scores, however, the system will validate that the scores make sense. So in this situation, I typed in to have Bird and Hard winning 21-17. But this is the team that we have marked as winning, so I had that reversed. I'll go ahead and finish entering all the scores here, or finishing the results, and I'm just, whatever team is selected by default is going to be the winning team here. And there we go. Our gold bracket's done. Go ahead and go to silver, finish this up. Almost finished here. There we go. So we have our silver bracket is all finished as well. At this point, our division is done. We built out the pools. We built the playoff brackets. We ran through scoring the pools. Then we've scored the playoff brackets. Everything is done. Now we just need to finish the division. So the first step in that is asking, is this a merged division? That's like if you're combining two age groups or combining two skill levels. This was a single skill level. This was just women's open. So this is not a merged division. So we will say no. And then we're just going to say the gold silver is first, and the silver, or the gold bracket is first, and the silver bracket is second. That gives us first to 12th and 13th to 19th. Go ahead and continue to finish there. This is just giving us a review of this is the places that teams are going to be taking. So you'll notice it goes on, blah, blah, blah. You got 4 9ths, but then we have 13, 14, 2 15ths, 3 17ths. That's just because the gold brackets are first through 12th, basically, and the silver is 13th to the remainders. So we finish our division. So that is running a tournament with BracketPal in super fast mode. Thanks, and have a good one.